Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study geometric progression (GP). Geometric progression is not any another article or chapter. Geometric progression is short form of arithmetic progression. As you know, if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you will get 10. You added 2 5 times, but you added 2 5 times. If you place this sign in between 2 and 5, 2 multiplied by 5, you will also get 10. That is short form of addition is multiplication. And if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, you will get 8. 2 is multiplied 3 times. This is 8, 2 power 3. Short form of multiplication is exponentiation, power. Short form of addition is multiplication. Inverse process of addition is subtraction and difference is division. So therefore, short form of difference subtraction is division. Now recall again AP. As you know, if an minus an minus 1, an plus 1 minus an, for every n belonging to n, then A1, A2, A3, if an plus 1 minus an is constant, denoted by D because this is difference of two consecutive terms, for every n belonging to n, for every natural number, this symbol belongs to for, this symbol stands for everyone, for every one. This is replaced by this symbol and belongs to, this is replaced by this symbol, belongs to or contained in. For this wording, this is symbol. For this wording, this is symbol. If an plus 1 minus an is constant, denoted by D, for every n belonging to n, that is set of natural number, then A1, A2, A3, an are called in AP. This is the definition of AP. As I told you that GP is short form of AP and short form of addition is multiplication. The short form of difference is division. So what will be definition of GP? If an plus 1 upon an, short form of difference is division, is equal to constant denoted by R, not D. In difference and division, both starts from D, but I have taken D for difference, therefore we cannot take D for division also. Like S is fixed for sulfur, then we cannot use S for sodium also. We select Na, natrium. Na from natrium, Latin name. Similarly, we select R for constant notation. Why R? Because A by B also written as A ratio B, and wording ratio starts from R. So therefore, we use symbol R. Short form of difference is division. If an plus 1 upon an is constant for every n belonging to n, for all natural number, if ratios of two consecutive terms is always constant, denoted by R, then A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 dot dot An are called in GP. This is definition of GP. Here your expanded version will be of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D dot dot A plus n minus 1 into D. Here first term is A plus, short form of plus is product and constant changes by R. Your second term will be AR. Here there are two operators, plus and product, A plus 2 into D. So according to your Bodmas rule, you first of your bracket of division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Among all these operators, here you have only product, that is multiplication and addition. Among multiplication and addition, multiplication occurs first. So therefore, this will be solved first. D is replaced by R in GP. Then 2 is multiplied. So therefore, short form of multiplication is power. It changes to R square. 2D changes to R square because D changes to R, multiplication changes to exponentiation, that is power. Now plus will be solved. Short form of plus is product. Multiply A. This is your third term. Next, fourth term is A plus 3D. D changes to R. 3 is multiplied, changes to power R cube, plus changes to product A. AR cube is your fourth term. Dot dot dot. Here D changes to R, product changes to power, and plus changes to product. This is your nth term. In specialized manner, here nth term is written as A plus n minus 1 into D, and here nth term will be written as A into R power n minus 1. D changes to R, product changes to power, plus changes to product. Short form of addition is multiplication. Short form of multiplication is power. Short form of AP is GP. No need to remember many times different formulas. Remember one, second will be free. Buy one, get at least one free. In coordinate geometry, you will get 3 to 4 free. Buy one, get 3 free. If you learn ellipse, hyperbola and circle will be free. So this is formula for G. Now here constant is denoted by D and here constant is denoted by R, known as common ratio. This D is called common difference, this R is called common ratio, CR. Here R is called common ratio. Now next is AM. AM, arithmetic mean, is sum of data upon number of data. You have studied in your previous classes. And AM of two numbers A and B will be A plus B by 2. Similarly, geometric mean, GM, all plus change to product, it become A1 into A2 into A3 into A4 dot dot an minus 1 dot an. Now 2 by 3 can be considered as 2 into 1 by 3, and product, third form of product is power. Here you have divided by n, can be considered as multiplication by 1 by m. So product goes to power, it becomes power. Now GM of geometric mean of two numbers A and B will be product of these two numbers and power 1 by 2, and power 1 by 2 is written as under root AB. This is G. Now take another concept. In an AP, sum of terms equidistant from beginning and end is always constant and is equal to first sum of first and last term, that is kth term from beginning and kth term from end, an minus k plus 1 always will be equal to sum of first and last term. I explained in my previous classes. Similarly, if you apply same fact in GP, it will be like this. In a GP, product of terms equidistant from beginning and end is always constant and is equal to product of first and last terms, that is ak into an minus k plus 1 is equal to a1 into an. This is property of GP plus, that is sum changes to product. Now, in some questions of KP and GP, it is given that there are 3 terms, 4 terms or 5 terms whose sum or products are given, and one more condition is given, you are required to find terms or GP or AP. So in an AP, I taught you in your class 10th, that is, in an AP, if you are required to select 3 terms, then you will take terms like this: A plus B, A minus D, 3 terms. If you add D here, you will get this. If you add D here, you will get this. Clearly, this is in AP. But if you want to select 4 terms, then your terms will be like this: A minus B, A plus B. If number of terms are odd, then there will be always a controller in middle, half left, half right. But if number of terms are even, then there will be no such middle controller. Either there are number of terms are even, that is 10, then either there are 2 middle terms or no middle terms. Similarly, if number of terms are even, then there will be no main controller, there will be 2 controllers, A minus D, A plus D. Now, gapping between these 2 terms is 2D. If you add 2D here, then you will obtain A plus D. But in an AP, difference is always constant. Therefore, add 2D here again, you will get A plus 3D. Next term. And subtract 2D here, you will get previous term as A minus 3D. But if number of terms again become odd, that is 5, again controller comes. First term is central term is A, add D, again add D, 50% left, 50% right. Subtract D, subtract D. These are terms of A. But in case of GP, if you want to take 3 terms, then number of term is odd, put central term A. Now, D converts to R plus changes to product. Short form of AP is GP. Short form of plus is product. AR. Left side, D changes to R. Short form of subtraction is division. It looks like A by R. These are 3 terms of GP. If you want to select 4 terms in GP, there is no main central term A. There are 2 central terms, A minus D, A plus D. A minus D changes to A by R. D changes to R, difference changes to division. And plus changes to product, D changes to R. AR. Now, if you multiply R square here, then you will get AR. So therefore, again multiply R square here. Your next term will be AR cube. Again divide by R square here. Your previous term will be A by R cube. In another way, D changes to R, 3 product changes to power plus changes to product. 3 changes to power, product changes to power, D changes to R, difference changes to division. Now in case of 5 terms, again central terms A comes out. Next term will be AR square, A by R cube. In AP, you add D again and again, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. In GP, you multiply R again and again, AR square, AR cube, AR4, and so on. In this way, you can easily memorize your formula for GP. Now, we will solve numerical question in my next class. Thank you.